Hello everyone, I am Vishal Soni. Today, we're going to learn how to make a desk clock that updates time via the internet. To make this project, you need a Unihiker board and a Type-C USB cable. The Unihiker is a single-board computer, SBC, that features a 2.8-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is equipped with a light sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope and microphone. First of all, connect the Unihiker board to your laptop via the Type-C USB cable. Go to your browser and type 10.1.2.3, which will take you to the Unihiker board page. Go to the network settings and connect to your Wi-Fi. To upload an image, go to the File Upload section. Leave the folder name empty, choose your image, and click on Upload. Do the same to upload the Python script. To run the program just after booting, go to the Service toggle and enable the Auto Boot option. Run the clock Python script once, and now it will run the code automatically after every boot. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe for more videos like this.